Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll just be doing like a sorting photo card video where I put the photo cards in the binders. Jumping straight in, this is my little pouch that I keep all of my photo cards in when they're not in my binders. I don't have that many today, just because I have quite a lot on the way. I just wanted to get these in my binder so I can have like a fresh start with some new ones. But yep, this is my little pouch that I keep them in, that I made myself. And then these are the sleeves that I use. So I'm just going to go ahead and sleeve these. Okay, so these are those sleeved. I just sorted them out, like by binder, what they're in. So we'll start with Nyan, I think, just because there's the one card. So this is the Nyan binder. And then this just goes here. And then that is Murray and Happy Complete. Very nice. Okay, moving on to the other binder. Right, so this is the next one. We just have 2 go on cards. Okay, this one is for Into Violet. So just go here. And then this one is for Hide and Seek. So that just goes up here. Okay, very nice. These pages will be full very soon, to be honest. But that's actually pretty exciting. I used to hate pops, like I absolutely used to hate them like outright, but now I kind of love them, which I'm really not sure why. I'm not sure why that's changed, but I'm just going with it. And then next we just have Kep1er and TXT. So that's in this binder here. Just go through. Through to the Chaotic Wonderland page. I'm just going to pop these down here just for the time being, just because I'm not really collecting these yet. I do want to take a little break. This is the Limited Subin and the Weaver's Kai. And they fit in nicely here. I have quite a lot of Kai for this page just because I absolutely loved him in this era. It was his era, to be honest. Yeah, like just absolutely love him in this era. Then moving on to Kep1er. Okay, so these are the first Kep1er cards I am putting in here, which is really exciting to me. Okay, so pink. This is Yeso. That goes here. Oh, I'm so excited to get these pages full. And then next I have 2 orange, 1 orange back, this chain, this chain is my absolute favorite card of hers in like this whole thing. It's just really adorable. I love it and I'm so glad that I have it. Then our other one is the black back shouting. I'm really struggling with Shouting's cards actually. Like everyone seems to want them and no one seems to have them for sale, which is fine. I did want to take this album a little slower, but I love her cards so much I really want them. And that is Shouting there. Then we just have a purple back, which is another Shouting. Thankfully I joined some group orders and I was able to get a couple Shoutings. But I'm pretty sure those are the only 2 Shoutings that I have. So yeah, that is the beginning of my kep1er collection. A very small beginning, but it's a beginning nonetheless. But that was actually all the cards I had to put away, which is not as many as some, but in the next few videos I think there'll be quite a lot because I'm hoping my near Q package will be here very soon. And I have a lot of cards just generally on the way. But that's it for me today, and thank you for watching.